Hello everybody, it is Indy Meets Disney, and we are at the only place on Disney property you can get beignets.
We are at, drumroll, Port Orleans French Quarter Resort.
And we are going to take you on a tour and just show you some of the ins and outs of the property and see if it's a place you might want to check out with your family someday.
We wanted to show you the directory of Port Orleans Resort. So this has both sections of Port Orleans on here. Up your side is Riverside, which you can see is connected to the one we're going to take you on a tour of, which is the French Quarter. So if you zoom in a little bit, you can see the Sassagoula River, which connects all of them. But this is pretty adorable. Bow Tie Island. It looks like a little bow tie. So when you first walk in, the main atrium would be right here. Building F and G would be like the front desk, guest services. There is a gift shop here called Jackson Square Gifts and Desires. There's an arcade involved in this space, bell services, all that great stuff. And then over here in Building F is the Scat Club. That'll be like the lounge area. And then their quick service is also found in here. That's the Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory. The pool, if you just take a little jaunt up from that main building, the pool is this section I. It also has the laundromat next to it. It's got some restrooms close to the pool as well. The pool is really amazing. It also includes a splash pad area for the littles as well. And then you can see here the South Quarter includes buildings 1, 2, and 3. And then the North Quarter includes buildings 4, 5, 6, and 7. We wanted just to mention to you that from the French Quarter, you can take the walking path, this one right here, and it will take you to Riverside, the boats and the bike rentals, the boat rides dining hall, or you could go this way along this path. You see that boat going through the water there. There is a boat that takes you directly to Disney Springs, and it will take you to Riverside.
All right, so this is kind of a fun little addition here. So you see this alligator band here. They're kind of playing along, kind of welcome you with a little jazz music. So you kind of enjoy your little stroll all the way down to the pool. The pool's down there at the end. Kind of make out the jester down there. He kind of welcomes you to the pool area. But these guys are kind of playing a little jazz to kind of welcome you on your stroll to the pool. All right, just want to show you a little bit of the pool area. So this is a really cool pool that they have here. So they have, of course, the jester welcome you to the pool. That Mardi Gras fashion. But then one of the cool things is they have this serpent that's kind of attached to the pool. So you have his tail that begins all the way here outside the pool, but then his body makes its way all the way through the pool. So you have another section of his body here, another section of his body back over there that's some stairs, and finally his head pops out over there, and that part is actually a slide. You kind of come out his mouth, that King Trident over there riding on him. So really cool feature. I think there's like kind of 3 areas of the pool that you can swim in. There's one here, and then another area over there where the serpent kind of spits you out. So it's a really cool area, lots of area to sit as well and enjoy the pool. So we wanted to show you guys this really awesome splash park that they have here for the kids to play in. This thing is huge and massive. They got this great slide here, kind of twisty slide, comes down to this big pile of water, nice splash. They got water cannon guns, really cool. They got the buckets that fill up and dump on your head. At the top is the massive bucket. It's about to dump here in just a second. We'll watch for it. Oh, here it comes. Whoa, massive splash. They got an area up here, kids can go up and play. You get up to the slides, the water shooting all over the place out of it. Umbrella with water coming down. There's a bucket filling up here that you could dump on top of someone's head. There's another slide here. You can come down and splash through a big pool of water. More umbrellas with water coming down. Those little crazy things with water shooting out of them come out all over the place. This is so much fun. Kids would have a great time here in this splash park here at Port Orleans. And this is included with your stay here. This is so much fun. I haven't seen anything this big, this incredible at a splash park at any of the other resorts. This is just a great little perk here at Port Orleans. Did want to also note too, while you're here at Port Orleans French Quarter and the kids are enjoying the splash pad, there are all kinds of seats all around it so you can chill and relax and just keep your eye on your kids, and you don't even have to get wet. You can just get some sunbathe if that's your type of thing, and just kind of keep your eye on your kids and let them have a great time. So we have a nice little pool bar here called Mardi Gras, and a nice little play on words there. And it's just right outside the pool. There's that serpent tail, and just outside here, like I said, is a nice little pool bar area. You guys kind of chill, hang out, and enjoy some time with friends.
There's also a playground available. It's right outside of those crocodiles playing that jazz music. So that's for the enjoyment of children ages 5 to 12. And there it is. There's quite a bit for kids to do. A couple of small slides, a couple of big slides, and some places to crawl, and then lots of places for parents to sit and watch their kiddos. Here are some of the fun things that this resort has to offer. So here are the movie options available. So it's going to be between buildings 5 and 6, a big grassy area there. And then throughout the day, they have some things by the pool. They have arts and crafts activities. This Cajun campfire seems really interesting. So lots of fun here at Port Orleans French Quarter.
So they also have a laundry area here available, just right on the other side of the bar. So it's laundry on the levee. So like I said, pool area is just right over there, and then the bar is right over there as well. And just located kind of right behind that, laundry on the levee. So if you have those clothes you need to wash at the end of your trip, head right on over here. It's just a quick look inside of the lobby area. You come and check in, this is where you would do that. All right, and something for the kiddos to do. They have an arcade here on property. So looks like a fun little arcade here. Got some fun games for the kids to play. Some smaller ones, got some pinball down there for our dads and the classics. And some other stuff, Guitar Hero, some Donkey Kong. So looks like fun.
And they have a little gift shop slash just whatever you might need shop called Jackson Square here. Hey, being Mardi Gras, New Orleans themed, they definitely have a lot of Princess Tiana merchandise available. So fun. I think I'm obsessed with this Princess Tiana outfit for the littles. I think our little girl might need one. That mug was fun. Restaurant fund. Thought this was really neat. They have a lot of like New Orleans styled Cajun food. Seasonings, beignet mix, gumbo base, seasonings, more praline mix.
I'm gonna look at the menu.
And in honor of all the beignets around this place, beignet all day. They've got these scented beignet ears and a beignet all day shirt.
All right, the main dining area is in the Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory, and we're gonna head inside and take a look. So another part of the Sassagoula Food Factory is the Scat Club Cafe, where you wanna stop by and get those Mickey-shaped beignets, a very important part of the French Quarter. They have those awesome beignets. You gotta stop and make sure you get those. They have them in regular, they have them specialty, they even have them in a sundae, and they have them with some alcohol. So definitely check those out. Only a place in Disney World where you can get you a beignet. So another great thing here at Sassagoula Food Factory is they have a lot of New Orleans Cajun themed food items. So mine is considered a Bayou burger. So it has pimento cheese and fried green tomato on top of it. So that sounds phenomenal. They have some other things like shrimp and grits, gumbo, and Katie got a jambalaya, which looks awesome, a nice big bowl of it with some cornbread, and they even did some Mickey magic for her and got her some sour cream to go on that. So that's awesome that they have that themed food.
Hey everybody, we are back home now, but we just wanted to take some time and just let you know how much we really enjoyed our stay at Port Orleans French Quarter. It was such a great resort. We typically try to get more of like the Skyliner resorts, so we stay a lot of times at Pop Century or Art of Animation because we really love the convenience of being so close to the parks via the Skyliner. So this is one of the first times we kind of dabbled further away from a Skyliner resort. We stayed at Riverside, or we stayed at, sorry, the French Quarter. We really enjoyed our experience there. We loved the atmosphere of like the jazz everywhere. We got to enjoy the Scat lounge. There were some jazz players several nights during the week. We loved the beignets. We loved the cozy atmosphere there. It's a small resort and there just wasn't much, didn't really take a lot of time to walk from place to place. So it was just a really nice resort. We loved our stay there, and we can definitely see ourselves going back. And we want you to think about whether you would want to stay at the French Quarter sometime at your next Disney stay. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, we will see you real soon. Bye, everybody.